All right, so now we're going to do compare and order real numbers, and this is the advanced section, so it really gets kind of hairy. Let's take a look here. This is the way they're going to ask these questions. It says select each number between 510% and 7.32 times 10 to the 0. And the first thing we're going to have to do is make sure that we turn each one into a percent. So we know we've got 510%. And we got to find everything that's between that and this other number, but we got to make it a percent. 7.432 times 10, raise that to an exponent, put a 0 power there, but then you have to remember to multiply by 100 to make it a percent. So that would be 743.2%. I'm going to go ahead and close the door so you'll be able to hear me. All right, so now we have to change all of those numbers into percents to see whether or not they fit in between 510% and 743.2%. So we're going to do one at a time. 5.15, make it a percent by multiplying by 100. That's 515%. Definitely that is between those two numbers. So I'm going to go on to the next one. So I'm going to put in a 7. I'm going to hit my space bar and put in 5 divided by 6. Then I'm going to click and do times 100. And that gives me 783.3%. And that is too big. So we're going to cross that out. And then we're going to go on to the next one. We're going to go to 0.059 times 10, and we're going to square that, and then we're going to put times 100 to make it a percent. So that's 590%, which is definitely in between those two numbers. This is not hard if you stay organized and use your calculator step by step. 0.45 times 100 gives you 45%. That is way too small. So let's try this last one. Again, I'm just using my calculator and being careful. 22 divided by 3. Move my cursor over, times 100 gives me 733%, which definitely fits. So there are 3 numbers that fit in between 510% and 7.432 times 10 to the 0. So let's go on to our next one and see what it looks like. We are done. We're going to go to replacement values for beginners. That'll be our next video.